So Dave, my big brother, cousin, man. Growing up, we always looked up to you in the family. And you mean a lot to us, and on behalf of those who couldn't make it here, I want to say that we love you so much, we appreciate you, and we support you on this beautiful journey.
Vem, da je bil čisto vsak trenutek tega čakanja na pravega dejansko vreden, ker vidimo, da je Ivan tisti pravi za tebe in vem, da bo znal skrbeti za tebe, da bosta skupaj prehodila to pot neskončno.
Dear bride, dear groom, dear guests, a warm welcome to the venue Tri Lučke in Sremič, where today, on the 16th of August, the marriage will be concluded between our dear David Ivan Mucho and Natalija Waldhuber.
Ivan, my love, across the continents and through the years, I searched for you. The moment we met, I knew you were the man I had been looking for all along. Today, I promise to love you with all my being.
My darling Talia, my love, my light, my best friend. I knew you were a blessing that comes once in a lifetime. A blessing I had prayed for.
I embrace this union not just as a marriage of two people, but as a bridge between our worlds, built on love and respect.
I vow to stand with you in ups and downs. I promise to love you, to cherish you, and to dance with you till we are really old.
Ivan, you're my partner, my best friend, my safe place, and my greatest adventure. No matter the challenges, I will choose us again and again.
Natalija, I love you with all my heart. I cannot wait to see where life is taking us and to discover life with you. I love you.
Iskrena hvala vsem, ker ste danes z nami. It's such a special day when we are uniting two continents.
We wish you love, we wish you happiness, to always have that spark of love within you, and may you always enjoy the moment, not tomorrow, not yesterday, just this moment. So let's enjoy, and we love you.